Hey guys, it's me, Rose, and today, we have a mystery guest, and it's my...
Rose, did they go home?
Yeah.
What is he doing eating a balloon?
Not. Okay. Come here. For some reason, he likes balloons. Oh, zip! 3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's gonna scratch my face.
Mom, for some reason, Zeppelin's likes balloons.
I know.
He tried to eat it! Now, watch this. Watch. See? He tries to eat it. It's gonna get you. Oh! He tried to bite me.
Why
Mom.
does he like them so much?
Mom, can I video this? Okay, Zap. So today, 3, 2, hey, Zeppelin, what are you doing? See, he likes them. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. Oh, Zeppelin, let go. Let go. Let go. You got it again. We got a runner. Let go. Drop. Drop. Drop it. Zip it. Let go. Let go. Let. Drop. Hey. 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 We got him. He was a fast runner, but we got him. Why doesn't he like blown up balloons? What's up, on? Here. Come and get this balloon. Okay, come here. Okay. So, watch. If I'm blowing up this balloon, see? I'm gonna blow up this balloon.